Okay, this is a video outlining the process for a student to submit a test request to accommodated testing at UW Oshkosh. So I am logged in as Clash, our sample student, and when a student logs in, they are taken to the main overview page on their dashboard. So note that the accommodation requests should be completed before a student is able to schedule any test requests. If we scroll down a bit on the left-hand menu under the accommodations section, there is an alternative testing tab. So we will click alternative testing. We call it accommodated testing at UW Oshkosh, but this is the name in the system. So some information from our accommodated testing friends is included at the top, a little schedule about when to submit requests, and then a student will be able to go in, select the class that they are taking. So I'm going to choose our demo class 105 and then schedule an exam. Now, if the student already has test requests submitted, they will be able to see those requests as well as their status, whether they're approved or pending or need additional information on that page as well. So we are going to go to schedule an exam and then select the type. So this is helpful to know if it's a final, if it's a regular exam or test, or if it's a shorter quiz. So most of the time, I believe, we'll be selecting the exam option. We can put in the date. So I'm going to choose next Monday and select the time. So students are asked to take their test at the same time as the class is taking their test, unless there's a conflict with the extended time and the class schedule. So the standard length of minutes, that's the time that the class gets to take it. So I believe in my example, I made this course 60 minutes, and students can go ahead and select any test accommodations that are available. Okay, it gives an idea of what that accommodated testing length will look like and when the end time will be. And then students are able to select if they need any additional technology. So if they use read and write, if they need access to Canvas for the test, or if it's a paper and pencil. So one selection must be made. If there are any notes, those can be added in the text box. Okay, students will be asked to just confirm that they understand that the accommodated testing center at UW Oshkosh will not be able to proctor without the course instruction form. That is what the instructors will fill out with all the proctoring expectations for the test. So we select that and then add exam request. So the success icon shows up indicating that the request went through, and now we can see it under the upcoming exams, and it takes us back. So if there is another exam that we need to schedule for that class, again, we recommend scheduling all exams early on in the semester to ensure that there is adequate space in our testing center. Dates can get adjusted later on if need be. So students can go ahead and add all of their requests at once. Once they are done, they just sign out of AIM.